here's your math video for TLD day 11. Get your 2 worksheets from your day 11 packet, okay? The first one should have lesson 61 at the top, and the second one should have money, coins on it, okay? So make sure you've got both of those. I'm going to talk you through all of it. We're going to do all of it together. There might be a couple sections I ask you to do on your own, but we're going to pretty much have it all done by the end of the video. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what to do for your science or social studies activity, okay? All right. Today, TLD Day 11. So, guys, we're doing our book like we usually do. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to say 48 and we're going to count to 60. So, can you do that with me? We're going to say 48. Ready? 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. All right, did you count with me? Hope so. All right, now get your workbook page that says lesson 61 and find the top where it says part 1. You all know what to do, part 1. All right, so I'm going to say a math problem and you're going to write down the answer, okay? So here's the first one for A. Ready? 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2. Write your answer down. Okay? I hope you got 42. Okay? Go to B. Ready? 70 plus 1. 70 plus 1. Write your answer down. What was it? 71. This one was 42. All right. The next one. Oh, listen to this one. Ready? 46 plus 1. 46 plus 1. So think in your head. 46. Think. 46. What'd you get? 47. All right. Ready for D? Trick. I hope you get it. 20 plus 0. 20 plus 0. 20 plus nothing else is still just what? 20. All right. Ready for D? Ready for D? Or no, E. Sorry, E. 46 plus 0. Oh, there's that 0 again. 46 plus 0. 46 plus nothing else is still just what? 46. I hope you're writing these down before I do. And last one, F. 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2. What do you think? 32. All right. All right, get your number line out. Okay. Now, remember, this says 20 plus 70. Here's what you can do. What is 2 plus 7? Well, let me erase up here. What is 2 plus 7? Well, 2 plus 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is 2 plus 7? 9. And then I put my 0 on it. So 20 plus 70 equals what? 90. Okay? All right. Ready? Now look. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 10 plus 30. Here's your 1. Take 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. What do we land on? 4. And I gotta put my 0. 10 plus 30 equals what? What's that number, guys? 40. All right? Okay. Now, go here. 2 plus 6. What is 20 plus 60? Pull out that 2, and that's 6. So start at 2, take 6 hops. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop working. There it goes. 6. So what did I land on? 8. Add my 0. So 20 plus 60 equals what? What's that number? 80. All right. Can you try those 3? Pull out the number. 50 plus 20. What'd you get? 5 plus 2. Should have gotten 70. Okay. Look at this one. 1 plus 6. Do that up on your number line. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 equals what? And then 10 plus 60 equals, hope you got 70 again. All right, pull this one out. 20 plus 30. So take your 2 plus your 3. What is 2 plus 3? Do that on your number line. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Add your 0. 20, read it with me. 20 plus 30 equals 50. Okay, make sure you've got that done. All right. Okay, let's go to the bottom, part 3. All right, you guys know how to do this. Take your numbers and put them into the chart. Here's your 10s and here's your 1s. 18. I've got 1 10 and 8 1s. Put 40 in there. I've got 4 10s and 0 1s. Here's 3. Oh, I wonder where that goes. Is that 3 10s or 3 1s? It's 3 1s, isn't it? All right. D, 13. I've got 1 10 and 3 1s. Look at that E. Is that 7 10s or 7 1s? It's 7 1s, isn't it? And the last one, 43. I've got 4 10s and 3 1s. You guys know how to do that, so I kind of went fast through that. Everybody good? Got that? All right, let's flip it over. All right, now guys, I don't think we're going to do all these. I think let's cross out D through F. Let's just do A, B, and C. All right. Part 4, we're just going to do A, B, and C. Okay, now I'm mixing up problems on you, okay? I'm going to mix up problems on you. Make sure you got your number line too, all right? Here's your first one. You write it, then I'll write it. Listen carefully. Get your pencil in your hand. Ready? A. 10 starts at 10 on a number line, so you should have written 10. He pluses some places, or I mean 2 places. Sorry guys. He ends up on what number? So get your number line out, put your finger on 10, and take 2 hops. All right? 10 and take 2 hops. Write it down when you know it. What'd you get? I hope you got 12. All right. Let's see if I can read the next one correctly. I'm sorry about that, guys. All right, ready? A bug starts at 7 on a number line. He pluses some places. Oh, do you remember what we do for that? And he ends up on 8. All right, so I'm going to write it this time. B. A bug starts at 7 on a number line, right? He pluses some places. He ends up on 8. So look up here. If he starts at 7 and he ends up on 8, how many hops does it take to get from 7 to 8? Count how many hops. Ready? Go. How many hops is that? Right, it's 1. So 7 plus 1 equals 8. All right, ready? We're going to do one more of those. Oh, tricky, tricky, tricky. All right, y'all ready for a tricky one? All right, ready? Got your pencil in your hand. A bug starts at 9 on a number line. He minuses some places, and he ends up on 8. Okay, so I'm going to write it with you this time. Ready? A bug starts at 9 on a number line. He minuses some places. We don't know how many, so we have to put our box. He ends up on 8. Okay, so where does he start? He starts on 9, and he ends up on 8. So how many hops does it take to get from 9 back to 8? Count the hops with me. Ready? Go. How many hops did it take him to get there? 1. Good. All right. Now, we're not going to do D, E, and F because I don't want the lesson to get super long. You all been doing this for a long time. All right. Go over to part 5. Use your number line to do part 5. And then let me see the bottom, Miss Bridget. Okay. And you all know this. Okay. You all know how to do these. All right. Mom and Dad, if you can check them when they're finished, that would be great. Okay. So you can either stop the video right now and do that, because these guys, I know you all are really good at this. You all can do this on your own. Stop the video and do it, or you can do it at the end. Okay. It's up to you. All right. When you're ready to start the next part, get your money worksheet. Okay. To count dimes and pennies. If you look at number 1, do you see these 4 coins? They're all the same, aren't they? Those 4, they're dimes. And you use dimes in your school store. What do we count dimes by? Tens. We count by tens. So these are all worth 10 cents. This one is 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 worth 10 cents. Now these are pennies. Pennies are those round, or those brown coins. They're called copper color or brown, okay? And they're only worth 1 cent. So these are all worth 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we're going to count by tens, and then we got to switch over to ones. Okay? So count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. Plus how many more? 40, and this is 1, 2, 3. So just like we did in our lesson, think 40 plus 3. 40 plus 3. Write it down. 40 plus 3 is 43. 43 cents. 43 cents. Okay? All right. So, let's look. Oh, these first 3 are dimes. And how much are dimes worth? 10 cents. How much are pennies worth? 1 cent. Okay? So, let's count these. These are all worth 10. You don't have to do that. You just count with me. All of these are worth 1. So count. 10, 20, 30. So keep that in our head. 30. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So 30 plus 4. Think, just like in our lesson. 30 plus 4. Write it over here. 30 plus 4 is 34 cents. Okay? All right. I'm going to put a box around the dimes. See all these dimes? They look the same, don't they? They're all worth 10 cents. So 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. I hope you were counting with me. And this guy is worth how much, guys? 1. It's a penny. So 40 plus 1. Think. 40 plus 1. Write it down over there. What'd you get? I hope you got 41. 41, and you got to put your cent sign. That C with the line through it is the cents sign. Okay? All right, number 4. Oh, we only have 1 dime. He's worth how much? What's a dime worth? 10 cents. And then these are all pennies. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. 10 plus 3. So 10, let's count. 10, 11, 12. What is it? 13. 13 cents. Okay, do you all have all those? Because I've got to erase so I can move it up. All right, we're going to work on number 5. All right, here's number 5. See how those first 2 are the same? These first 2 are dimes. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. These are all what? What are those? Say pennies. Pennies are worth how much? 1. Okay? So count with me. These are tens. Ready? 10, 20. Now look over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 plus 4. Okay? 20 plus 4. Over there. 20 plus 4. I hope you got 24. 24 cents. Now guys, I know this is new, but you can do it. All right, now look, see if you can put a box around the dimes. Look for the first 4 dimes. See, these guys are all the same. They're all dimes. And how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So each one of these guys is a 10. Okay? So, and then these are what? Can you say it? Pennies. Pennies are worth how much? Okay? Count with me. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I've got 1, 2. So 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2. What is 40 plus 2? I hope you got 42. 42 cents. All right. Okay. Ready? See, these first ones are the same. What are those called? Can you remember? Say dimes. Dimes are worth how much? 10 cents. So each one of these are worth 10. Now what are these? Those are pennies. Pennies are worth 1 cent. Okay, I want all of you to count with me. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30. Okay, and then I have 1, 2, 3. So 30 plus 3. Now think. 30 plus 3. What is 30 plus 3? Oh, you got 33 cents. It's money. 33 cents is money. All right. Okay, I'm going to put a box around these. What are these guys called again? They're called dimes. Dimes are worth 10 cents. Okay, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 plus 1, 2, 3. 40 plus 3. What is 40 plus 3? 40 plus 3. 43 cents. All right, last one. Okay, I'm going to put a box around what are those called? Say dimes. And dimes are worth how much? 10 cents. So ready? That one's 10, that one's 10. These are what? Say pennies. Pennies are worth how much? 1 cent. Count with me. Ready? 10, 20 plus 1, 2. So 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2. Write it down. 20 plus 2 is 22 cents. All right, make sure you've got it. Remember, dimes are worth 10 cents and pennies are worth 1 cent, okay? All right. When you're finished, flip it over. Now, some of your TLD days in the had you making sure you move your coins, so we're going to do a little practice. The first one, our pennies are in red. So find a penny and we're going to color it in red. All right, so here's a penny. So take a red crayon and color it in red. So you've got to find all the red pennies. So you can stop the video and color all the red pennies, okay? Okay? Now, nickels are blue. Nickels are worth 5 cents. We didn't talk about them yet, but nickels are worth 5 cents. So we got to find a nickel. So look at this first one right here. He's a nickel. All right? So take a blue crayon and color him in blue. And stop the video and color all of your nickels blue. Make sure you're only coloring your nickels, okay? Yellow for dimes, but I'm going to go ahead and move down here to quarters. Quarters are worth 25 cents. And we didn't talk about those in the last lesson, but quarters are worth 25 cents, okay? So come down here, look here. This one is a quarter. It's got that word Liberty across the top. So quarters are green. So color in all your quarters green. Stop the video and color all of your quarters green, okay? All right. And then finally, the dimes are what we talked about in the last lesson. Dimes are worth 10 cents. So find the dimes and use a yellow. I don't have a yellow on my thing. So dimes are yellow. This guy right here is a dime. He's worth 10 cents. So you want to color in all your dimes with a yellow crayon, okay? Stop the video and color in all your dimes, all right? When you're finished with that, come back and let me tell you about your science activity, okay? Okay, now guys, if you didn't stop the video on that first paper where you had to do the addition and subtraction, make sure you go back and do that. And then here is your science activity for today, all right? So for TLD Day 11, you can choose, you have 3 choices. You just have to pick one. The first one is go to Brain Pop Junior, and it's free right now, okay? So go to Brain Pop Junior, and it'll tell you what to do to get on, and search for parts of a plant, and watch that video, okay? You don't have to take the quiz, you don't have to do anything else. Just watch the video, watch the Brain Pop. So again, it's Brain Pop Junior. It should be free. Watch parts of a plant. Okay? That's all you have to do is watch the video. Or, if you have trouble with that, go to Get Epic. Right here. Get Epic. Alright? And let it read Pollinating Plants. Mom and Dad will have to help you search for that. Listen to it. That's it. All right? Or if you can't do that, if you don't have internet access, there's an article in the packet, and have Mom or Dad just read the article to you. That's it. So watch one of the videos or have Mom and Dad read the article to you. That's it. You don't have to write anything down. You don't have to do anything else. All right? Okay, guys, I miss you.